I take it as a great privilege and honor to have been given this great opportunity of welcoming you all in this auspicious occasion of the Platinum Jubilee celebration of Ramakrishna Sarada Mission Matri Bhavan. My sincere pranams and total surrender to Sri Ramakrishna, Holy Mother Sri Sarada Devi, and Swami Vivekananda. I offer my humble pranams to His Holiness, Most Revered Gautamananda Ji Maharaj, President Ramakrishna Mutt and Ramakrishna Mission. It has been a very special blessing upon us that He has kindly consented to attend and bless this joyous occasion. I also convey my respectful pranams to revered Swami Shupanananda Ji Maharaj, Secretary, Ramakrishna Institute of Culture, Gold Park. My pranams are also conveyed to revered Pravrajika Atandaprana Mataji, General Secretary, Sri Sarada Mutt and Ramakrishna Sarada Mission. Also to revered Punya Pranamataji and revered Pravrajika Gayatri Pranamataji. I also offer my respectful pranams to all the venerable monks, Matajis, and best wishes to all the devotees present here. Ramakrishna Sarada Mission Matri Bhavan is the only hospital of Sri Sarada Mutt and is dedicated to Swami Vivekananda's ideal of service to man is service to God. What began as a small 10-bedded facility has now grown into a 100-bedded multi-speciality hospital. Equipped with the state-of-the-art medical facilities, guided by a commitment to relieving suffering of humanity with dignity and care. Over the years, our outreach initiatives have also expanded steadily with regular medical camps, community based mother and child health care programs, cancer screening, and health education activities for the underprivileged communities. During the COVID 19 pandemic, Matri Bhavan stood by the community with round the clock patient care, vaccination support, and relief measures. In keeping with Swami Vivekananda's vision of women's upliftment, Matri Bhavan has consistently created opportunities for women from economically weaker backgrounds through the College of Nursing, Shahika Sevika training program, and other supporting initiatives. Though the scale may not be very large, the work has been steady, sincere, and transformative for those whose lives it has touched. Matri Bhavan has been showered with the blessings of venerable monks whose guidance has been an important contribution to the shaping and growth of the institution. A short video presentation will be shown later that will highlight their contributions. As we celebrate 75 years, we look back with gratitude and look ahead with renewed dedication. The growth of Matri Bhavan reflects Holy Mother's ideal that true greatness lies in silent and steady work that uplifts lives. As we celebrate 75 years, we earnestly seek the blessings of most revered President Maharaj, the venerable monks, and the goodwill of all well wishers. Their blessings and prayers will remain our spiritual asset, enabling Matri Bhavan to carry on its dedicated service to humanity for many more years. Thank you.